Hi, you're watching Style Mint, and with me is the very good looking and very dapper Rahul Khanna. Rahul, welcome to Style Mint.
Thank you.
You've been awarded the best dressed man by GQ. So, do tell us, how you kind of turn up so impeccably every time.
I think I was just on the list with very well dressed gentlemen as well, so which is still a great honor. I'm very lucky that I have access to stylists in the entertainment business who help me once in a while. Um, yeah, and I quite like I like clothes and I enjoy nice clothes. Yeah.
You literally own the bow tie. Yeah, it's something that we see you wearing very often, and you do a very good job of carrying it off also. Why do you think a bow tie is an essential in a man's wardrobe?
Oh, I don't think anything is an essential in anyone's wardrobe. It should be what makes you feel good and what you like and what you feel looks good on you. I personally like bow ties because I find them unusual. Not many people wear them. I like the process of tying one. It makes me feel very accomplished, and it's whimsical. It's kind of tongue in cheek. It's you can't take someone in a bow tie too seriously, so I like that about it.
So, what's the secret of being so sharply dressed all the time?
Oh, thank you. I don't know. You just have to go with what you feel looks good on you. I like certain things, and if they look sharp to other people, that's great. Certain people may dress a different way, and they may look sharp to me, and I like that. So yeah, it depends on your personality.
What, according to you, are the five must haves in a man's wardrobe?
I would say a nice blazer is a versatile item where you can wear for different events. A sort of nice pair of well-fitted dark jeans, good. A nice, clean, crisp white button-down shirt, which again is very versatile. A good pair of sunglasses would be great, and maybe a nice pair of swimming shorts. You can pick up things from various different designers. You can have, formal wear, casual wear, sports wear, accessories, all under one roof. So I like that kind of shopping. Yeah.
We haven't seen you make any fashion faux pas, but can you recall anything, any major disaster?
It's very subjective. What is someone else's fashion faux pas? Maybe someone else's, fashion statement. So no, I mean I don't know. Some people think I don't wear a lot of color. Maybe that's a fashion faux pas to some people. I, I'm just not that comfortable in color. I prefer black, white, gray, blue, and those are the colors that make me feel comfortable. So that's what I wear.
Who, according to you, is the best dressed man today in India and the best dressed woman in India?
Gosh, that's a very
And you can pick more than one.
I can. Well, I think in terms of men, I like the way a lot of my dad's generation dresses. I think my dad's very stylish. I think a lot of his contemporaries are very stylish. The younger lot, I think, I like the way Imran Khan dresses very much. I like, who else do I like? I think Sid Malia has a very funky style. Female wise, I think Sonam Kapoor she's a delight to watch always. I like the way Deepika Padukone dresses. I like, and again some of the more the more senior actresses like Wahida Ji. I think she's very elegant. So yeah, I mean a lot. Yeah. And those are just a few. I mean, if you gave me more time, I'd be able to think of some more.
Are you a shoe person? If yes, what kind of shoes do you usually pick up?
No, I'm an everything person. If I like simple things, I like classic things. So I have a lot of things, and I like things that I can wear more than once. So, I don't like things that I feel I can only wear them once and then never again. I like versatility. I like longevity in clothes and shoes, and things that don't go out of style. Like I have shoes that I've owned for over 10 years, and I think they still look good. And, yeah.
But is there anything that you would never ever wear?
Again, personally, if someone else chooses to wear it, I think that's fine. I don't like anything too like lycra and clingy, and I don't like anything with big logos on it, big branding. Other than that, no.
What would Rahul Khanna wear to a date?
It depends what the date is. Is it a date going to the beach, or is it a date going to a formal dinner? Again, it depends on the.
Let's say it's a coffee date.
Coffee day, so something cool and casual, depends on the weather. If it's a summer day, then a nice linen shirt, a pair of linen trousers, a pair of sandals.
What, according to you, looks the best on a woman?
Smile. uh, yeah, I think if you have a good personality and you're comfortable with yourself and you have a sense of humor, anything looks good on you. So it depends on how the woman feels about herself. I think, yeah.
And finally, a fashion advice to all your fans.
Uh, don't let anyone tell you what's right or wrong. Do what makes you feel good, and what makes you feel comfortable. Go for it. Yeah. Express yourself through your style.
Thank you so much. Absolute delight talking to you, Rahul.